Hey guys, welcome to the YouTube channel Tech Learn with Ashish, and today's topic we have substring. So what exactly a substring does? So this is a string function, we all know that, and it has some parameter. Let's see the syntax we have in Microsoft. So this is the substring. We have to write like substring and then the expression and then start and the length. Okay, I will tell you what is the expression. So let's suppose my expression is MS Dhoni. Now guys, the start, it is asking to start the position from where you want to start and how many character you want to select. Suppose I only want to select second character, which is Dhoni. So see, you can see that guys, the first character is having M, the second character is having S, and third is blank. So I have to start from fourth, and you have to select the length of how many character you want to select. So like you need to count from 1 is D, second is H, third is O, fourth is N, and fifth is I. So you can write there. Now select this and execute. See guys, we can see this. So this is the use of substring. Like you have to, when you need to select a particular string from specific position start and specific length, you have to define. We can like I have hard coded the value. Once we go through the course, I will tell you how to do by a expression. So thank you guys, thank you for watching, and please share and subscribe and comment if you have any doubts.